Now we say welcome to
Sarah's Vision Children's Home.
Yes, welcome to Sarah's Vision Children's Home. Remember guys, we'll be visiting this children's home on 13th of July and we're calling upon your little help and support. Here we have kids. Watoto wako ready, watoto wako tayari kuwakaribisha. Remember as always it's a cater of Mama na Mtoto where we give back the set as we appreciate life with orphans, sick kids and special needs children. Watoto wako ready?
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes.
Watu tuletewe nini? Simetisha hata vitabu. Yeah, so welcome guys. We'll be here on 13th July and we're calling upon your little help and support. We're having a budget of 157,000 support. Just support us where you can. Yes? Wamesema hapa, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel as Mama na Mtoto and also on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Mama na Mtoto. Keep it locked. Nana atasema we sign out.
We sign out.